we're going to move on to measuring spot colours, and just to give you an idea of some of the things that you can measure relating to spot colours and Pantone colours. So let's get straight into it. My name is Phil Binks from Bodoni, North America. Here we go. So in the pressSIGN interface, we've got a button that says single patches up near the top. I'm just moving my cursor around that area right now. Let me just see if I can show you it using my normal. There we are. So the single patches measurement is just there. Okay, just circle it right there if I can. So that's where we want you to be looking. So once you click on that button, it brings you to this new interface, and we've got across the top a range of tabs that you can use to measure different elements. I'm going to stick with the spot tab right now. The spot tab will allow you to measure a colour, and pressSIGN will tell you the very nearest spot colour that exists in any of the libraries that are within pressSIGN. The libraries that are within pressSIGN can be seen here in this drop down box. So I have a range of Pantone libraries. In fact, in the default setting of pressSIGN, you're likely to have probably 10 different Pantone libraries. Some of them are the old legacy ones. I happen to have hidden those and removed those so that I can only use the current live Pantone colours because they're the ones that interest me. So Pantone Plus, solid coated, etc. And the rest of these, all of the others below here, are all custom spot colour libraries. So if I make a measurement of a colour, potentially if there's a nearer colour to my measured colour in one of the custom libraries, it will highlight that. I can specify that I want the colour to come from a known specific library. So if I select Pantone solid coated here, it starts off by just giving me some beginners data, but let me now measure with my spectrophotometer. So I have a spectrophotometer here ready to measure a colour chart that you see here, and I'm going to do that right now. So maybe I can show you the way that I can do this. Let me see if I can show you this in the window on the left hand side. So I probably can't because I've just pulled the cable out. Such is life. Hold on one second. No, okay. I'm just going to now measure the colour that we see. So give me 1 second. We've come back. Hold on. Okay. So you can see here, I'm going to measure one of the spot colours. So let's measure, you can see probably a red colour. So I'm just going to place it over a red colour. Press the measurement, and you see that that has now come up in the screen. So what do we see here? What do we understand from the values that we've now measured? I'm going to zoom in to this particular area here. Just bring it down. The measured colour that I've just sampled, pressSIGN has said from the Pantone solid coated library. Remember that that's what I chose. I chose that from my list of colours, okay? It says that Pantone 2035C is the closest colour by delta E measurement to that colour. Now let me just move my own inset away for a second, and maybe I'll move up here. So we can see the measured colour just here, and the spot colour next to it, which we've just the spot colour that we've just measured is here, and the actual spot colour itself for that spot is there. So we can see how close they are. So some look closer than others. I mean, as we get down here, we've got a delta E of 6.69. So we can see it's quite a way away from those colours. Okay, let me just do that again, but this time I will measure a green colour just to give you a different view. So I've just measured a green from this chart using my spectrophotometer, my i1 Pro 2. You can use any connected spectrophotometer that pressSIGN supports, and we support most of them. Currently we don't support the i1 Pro 3 because it's not allowed with press control software. Okay, but here we are. So my measured colour is this spot colour here, and the actual colour of the Pantone 355 is shown in this colour here. So we can see the lab value of any Pantone colour that's a close match to our sampled colour, and we can see the delta E value, how far away it is, with the best one being listed at the top. We can also, in this part of the interface, see that the measured colour is an LAB value of this. Okay, so I could press the clear button if I wanted and just clear that. So it's really useful if you've got a customer who's given you a logo and said, I just need that matched, and you're thinking, well, which is the closest colour in my spot colour libraries that I can use? Maybe I've got a pot of that paint or a pot of that ink in the ink room. You can measure it and see which one is the closest match. Okay. So hopefully that is of use to you. If you have any questions or anything that you need to know about pressSIGN, please let me know. I'm very happy to help you and answer any questions and supply pressSIGN to you if you're looking to control your press to the very best ability in the future. If you like this, please subscribe and hit the like button and the notification so you know when I'm next doing another live. It's likely to be in about 4 weeks' time. And that's really it. So thanks for watching, and take care now.